Hi all. Here's something that I think every pickup truck should have. A door edge bumper guard. I just happened to catch these on sale at my local Kmart when they closed up. So I got them cheap. I think I got them for $5 or something like that. So I'll show you what we do with them. Open the door. Open the baggage. See, and on the back of these there's a little plastic strip. That's a tape that just goes on here. What I do is I slice it. And then I slide it over the edge here. So here's an old one that I took off. You see where I sliced it here. And then it fits on like this. Okay. Because what happens is if you go in a parking lot, the door swings open, smacks the car next to you. At least you got some type of protection here. You may not put a dent in the car if it doesn't hit it too hard. If it's metal to metal, if that hits the car next to you, most likely it's going to dent it. What happened to me was, first day I went and looked at the truck to buy it. I got in it, looked at it, got out. I left the door open, went inside to talk to the salesman. Well, the wind caught it, blew it open, smacked the car next to it. The other salesman I wasn't talking to ran out there yelling and screaming, "You're gonna damage the car, you're gonna damage the car." I lucked out in that it didn't hit it, or it didn't hit it hard enough. So that's where I came up with the idea for these. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut these. There's like a flap here. I cut it right down that flap. Okay, try not to slice your hand. Sharp blade, it's a little better. Slow. So I don't actually use this tape here. I slide this on the edge of the door. It doesn't rust behind the door because it's an open gap, so the water runs out. Okay, so now I'll show you how I put them on. We got them sliced open. Just slides on here. And they'll fall off if you leave them like that. So if you have an old truck, you might be able to just put a couple screws in there. But what I did last time, I just used some Gorilla tape. That's not sticking this time. I just painted these yesterday. Okay, so what I ended up doing was I squirted some clear caulk down inside there. Maybe that'll work. Last time I used that black Gorilla Tape and it worked fine, but it wouldn't stick to the paint this time. I just painted it yesterday. Okay, so last time I used that Gorilla Tape and it worked fine. It actually lasted quite a while. Stick to that new paint. I just painted it yesterday. That should do. That clear caulk peels right off if I ever need to get it off. Okay, see ya. I'll let you know down in the comments if it doesn't work. See ya. Bye.